Morning.
Good morning.
My name is Jonna Levine. I am the legislative chair for the Jeffco PTA, and on behalf of the Jefferson County Council PTA and our approximate 9,000 members, we appreciate this opportunity to provide public comment to the Colorado Behavioral Health Task Force today. As a matter of fact, we feel we would be remiss not to testify. Jeffco PTA believes all children deserve the opportunity to reach their full potential. In order to do that, there needs to be greater attention and resources provided for mental health, early intervention, and prevention services for non-school-aged youth and their families. Early intervention and prevention can help to address a child's behavioral and mental needs before symptoms exacerbate into more detrimental social, emotional, or academic behaviors or activities. According to the CDC, up to 1 in 5 youth experience a mental health disorder, which is described as serious deviations from expected cognitive, social, and emotional development, such as anxiety, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, alcohol or substance abuse, and depression. The Jefferson County Coroner's Office reported 128 suicides for 2018. Of those deaths, 33 were 29 years and younger. But the real story lies in the fact that Safe to Tell reports in the 2017-2018 school year, statewide they received 2,786 suicide intervention tips. In Jeffco alone, there were 531 Safe to Tell reports during the 2018-19 school year just on self-harm. While youth suicides do not account for all suicidal instances, what these stats do tell us is that our young people are attempting to take their own lives at an alarming rate. And while we are very appreciative of the efforts by the Colorado Attorney General and mental health organizations to promote an awareness campaign, there needs to be more. We need to do more to provide and connect students with necessary behavioral and mental health resources at school and in their community. Jeffco PTA is doing what we can in this effort. We believe suicide prevention is the work of the entire community, and to become proactive and reduce our youth suicide rates, we must get as many people trained in suicide prevention as possible. So Jeffco PTA has partnered with several sponsors, including Westera Credit Union, who have made it possible for us to provide QPR suicide prevention training by certified trainers for over 800 people. But there needs to be more. We have families of more than 86,000 children who need training, and PTA is a nonprofit with no budget for this immense undertaking. Since we've made our training sessions available beginning in November, every one of our sessions have been booked to capacity, requiring a second trainer, and we have a wait list every time. We are on track to have had 7 training sessions from November 2019 to April 2020. This tells us one thing for certain: there needs to be more. Those who sign up for our training sessions are parents, teachers, and community members of all ages. People are crying out for more resources. We don't have the answer, but as the task force, we are hopeful you can help figure out how to make better and more resources available. On a side note, I visited with a school board member from Adams 12 yesterday who asked me for resources because they had 2 suicides in her school alone. Thank you very much for listening this morning.
Thank you.